So I'd like to introduce you as to how to make Christmas lights using Fiber-Optic and using the Lamplighter system. So I put a cable in a 1.5mm fiber into the box. And so we've got some light here. And I've been making small cuts with this tool here, which is really a wire stripper. And I'm going to go along to where it's not going to cut right through, but we're going to nick the fiber. And you can see that actually light starts to come through the fiber. So I make multiple nicks along the way. Right, so there we go. It's nicking the fiber. And you can see the result is I've got now a series of lights. Well, obviously, you really don't want just white lights. They're quite nice. But we can actually use some paint. I've painted already the end of it so it doesn't glow too much for the picture. But let's say we want to just change some of the colors. Let me just put a red on there, put a red on there, put a red on there. And you see immediately I've got different colors. If I go to the green paint now and use green paint on it, I'm of course going to end up with a nice green-red array. And that's exactly what we put together on this. So this is one that I've actually done already. And you can see the green and red alternating. And that can be put up against a building. And now you've got Christmas lights. So a very cheap, inexpensive way to make Christmas lights on your layout. I wish you a very Merry Christmas. Bye for now.
Trainz.com. Making dreams come true, one train at a time.